Canadian solution providers have been battling the margin squeeze for a long time now. One area where the margins are still very bountiful is in large format display sales, but that deal takes a long-term strategic solution sale approach. And it also involves many partners. CDN asked 4 experts in this area. Let's see what they have to say.
With respect to digital signage, the big money-making opportunities there are mainly in the informative areas, for example, in the airports, train, where they're showing signage for information for the end-user customers. Also, you start seeing a lot in the customer-enhancing areas, for example, in bar, restaurants, and hotels, where the customer can get a lot of information and avoid some of the long lineup you have in restaurants. But the big push for digital signage will be when retailers start taking this new way of advertise, specifically grocery stores and other major retail stores in the malls.
One of the biggest pain points we've seen that customers are having with respect to digital signage is the lack of measurability. There's a big question with respect to, are people looking at the screens? When they look, how long do they look for? What content are they looking at? What type of demographic looks at digital signage? So this is essentially what our company does, and at Cognivision we build audience measurement systems which will answer those very questions to help determine the effectiveness of digital signage, and then more importantly to start using those metrics to make it that much more effective. So what we can do is measure signage and help optimize it to show the right message to the right people at the right time.
Any digital signage solution is a very important collaboration of a wide variety of skills and people. And it's important to be able to bring all these people together and give them the right weight to come up with the right solution and the right outcome for the customer. You have creative content people, you have technical people, you have product manufacturers, you have installers. All of these things weigh on the important result, which is making the customer happy and achieving his results. They all have to be balanced, and they all have to be brought to the table in such a way that they can have their say, and that they can make their product or their service shine in the light of the final result.
Size does matter, absolutely. Placement, if you have your audience, your intended audience is 10 to 15 feet away, a 32-inch display might not be the exact size that you need. It might be a larger size, a 52-inch, where you can actually get your information, your point across, or your message to the consumer or the targeted audience, so that they can read it, the colors are vibrant, and everything that's intended to do that is done properly. Different things such as orientation is also important, as well as aspect ratio. Something new, something different will definitely bring a lot more attention to digital signage that you're trying to show to your intended audience.